Oh, this one's from Grandma.
Oh my goodness, she's getting good at opening presents. What did she get?
What'd you get? Oh, some
Oh my
pants.
goodness. Are those pajamas?
Some pajama pants.
Oh my gosh, she totally
and
needs these.
pajama top.
Molly, who's on there? Is it Elmo?
Molly, who's this?
Oh my gosh, look, there's more.
Is that Elmo? Yeah. What's
Oh
this?
my goodness.
Oh my goodness. Is that a giant Elmo shirt?
That is so cute.
Elmo, look. Look at this.
Oh, that's so nice. Molly, Grandma gave you that.
Yeah. We're going to put you in those pajamas.